Hello birdies, do not hurt me, I'm your friend.
Hey everyone, it's Ace here from All Cool Entertainment, and in this video I'm going to focus on one topic, which is Christmas at Walt Disney World, or the holiday season. I'll be referencing some things in this video based on my experience during Halloween this year and in years past, along with my Christmas and holiday experience from years past as well. So for the holiday season in 2021 at Magic Kingdom, it's Christmas time, but it's not really. Every year, once Halloween ends that night, the elves go to work on Christmas at the Magic Kingdom and at the other parks. What they do specifically at Magic Kingdom is actually quite amazing. They get some decorations out, but mainly that giant tree right when you walk in. They do a very, very good job of doing this within a matter of hours before the next day opening of the park. It's actually quite remarkable, and I applaud them for that. However, Disney Parks made a little reference to today being Christmas. It is not Christmas. I scoured both Magic Kingdom as well as Hollywood Studios and found a total of 2 unique Christmas treats and maybe 5 to 10 Christmas items that are new. Everything else has been there this entire time. So no, it is not Christmas time. If you do follow Disney Parks on Twitter, or the folks over at like DFB Guide or Disney Food Blog, they do a fantastic job outlining the food and activities and whatnot that are going to be going on during this period. However, Disney themselves need to do a better job. And even Disney Parks blog, their official blog, they do mention when certain treats are coming, dates and times, things like that. Plus their official special ticketed events don't start until the 8th, which we will be at. We're going to be reviewing food and reviewing the whole night and whatnot and let you know if it's worth the money. I'm gonna tell you right now, if it's anything like Boo Bash, it is not worth the money. This one is more expensive, and yes, they do things a little bit different, but we'll get into that. But based on what I've read, it is absolutely not gonna be worth the money. I'm telling you right now. Unless you have a child that is obsessed or someone in your family that you want to take to have a magical holiday experience with and you want to spend that money, you go right ahead. That is your prerogative. I just don't think it is worth it. And I'll get into that after the event once I've actually enjoyed it for myself. Opening night, November 8th, less than a week away. But yes, as of right now, it is not Christmas time. It is like pre-Christmas time. It's like mid-Christmas time. The elves are just getting everything ready. There were 2 treats that we did try though that are unique. And when I say unique, what I mean is I'm going to use a term from the gaming world. So for example, a lot of people on this channel watch my video game content and watch for skins or outfits in Apex Legends. Characters will get an outfit and then they'll also have recolors of that outfit, which are essentially the same outfit, just different colors. That is exactly what 90 to 95% of the treats that are out now are, whether they're in Main Street at the confectionery or even in Hollywood Studios. Wherever you're finding stuff right now, up until about November 7th, which is the day before the first holiday themed ticketed event, is all gonna be just recolors or rehashes of treats you could get during Halloween or even before that, with 2 exceptions that we found over at Big Top Souvenir. These are similar but slightly themed for the Christmas or holiday season. One is a peppermint chocolate marshmallow. The other is a gingerbread cookie, which they've had in years past. I'll try to have reviews for those up shortly. Also, I do want to mention that all of the opinions in this video are my own and are not shared by anyone else. So yes, we did enjoy those. They were very good. And yes, some of the resorts are starting to put out some treats as well. Again, these are mainly recolors, as I call them, or rehashing of stuff that's been going on for weeks. For the most part, it is not Christmas time yet, but it is coming and we will be there and I will give you my dead-on opinions. I do not hold back and I am completely honest, to the point, as I always am. And of course, there's no snow. There's no snow. The parades themselves are not parades. We're still doing these cavalcades. None of them are themed for the holiday season. Of course, during the special ticketed events, they will be. But during the day, there's really nothing. Nothing that is Christmas or holiday themed. Yes, at Disney Springs, you'll have Goofy dressed up as Santa. That's nice. And you'll have little things here and there. But what Disney has done is they have priced you out. They are making you pay more money to enjoy the holiday season during the holidays. Before, you go to the park, it's themed to Christmas, you have a great time. And then later on, they decided to have special ticketed events where you could enjoy more of the holiday. Now, and yes, this is only the beginning. Again, I want to reiterate that point. It's only November 1st. But even after the next few weeks, I am not confident that it will feel like Christmas during the day or the holidays, but will only feel like that at night after you've paid almost $200 more to go to a very, very short, specially ticketed event just to actually enjoy the holiday. day. It's absolutely ridiculous and is not magical at all. So if your expectation to go to the park is to fully enjoy Christmas, my suggestion to you, and especially if you have kids, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, forget about the Christmas event, go to the park during the day, maybe go to Universal Studios and enjoy Christmas at night. It's just not the same as it used to be. But that's all stuff for another video. For today, I just wanted to focus on the first day, opening day of quote-unquote Christmas. It's not Christmas. Do not be fooled. Don't waste your money. If you're gonna go, try and wait a little bit. Although at this point, if you're watching this, you've already booked your trip because you have to do the reservations and whatnot, blah, blah, blah. And again, this is constructive criticism. I love Disney. I am a big fan and I want the company to be successful, but I also want people to know what they are in for when they are going to these parks, and I want them to be able to have a good time. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and you all have a great day.